Hi, I'm Dean, and this is Masterclass Michaela, and we are Steel Challenge shooters, and we use the HC mags in our 10-22 style rifle. Because the HC mags have 20 rounds, we're able to shoot 3 strings before we need to reload. Because we still have 15 rounds left in the gun, we can stay in position and continue with our next string. And because we can look down at the thumb assist follower, we can see how many more rounds we still have in the mag and do a 3rd string. Okay, now we will reload for our 4th string. Now we have a full 20 rounds once again to start our 4th string. Again, still got plenty in the mag. Oops, the RO messed up and we have to do a 6th string. We still have plenty. How's that? Take your thumb assist follower and slide it to the base of the magazine and twist half. Take your stripper clip, stack the rounds to the front of the clip. Place the bottom of the clip into the bottom of the magazine, twist and snap into place, and then release your thumb follower. One final step, push down on your rounds and you should see all of your rounds moving. To load from the speed box, push up to raise the platform. Take a stripper clip and slide it across your rounds and pull. And voila, you have 20 rounds ready to go. The HC Mag Competition Pack comes with 2 magazines, stripper clips, each holding 20 rounds. And your speed box loader has 5 rows, each holding 20 rounds, giving you another 100 rounds. Your HC Mag Competition Pack should be enough to go to the range and shoot a Steel Challenge match of 8 stages.